welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kayla, aka Porcelain Zen. I'm here to show you guys exactly how I achieved this summer brow and eye tutorial. I'm looking in the mirror right now and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And I literally only used maybe about 4 products, 2 products on the eyes and 2 products on my brows. If you're into really quick, efficient summer makeup, then keep on watching. So we're gonna get started, and I'm starting off by priming my face. I'm using my favorite Fenty primer. We're just gonna ignore the fact that my hands are super ashy in this video. I recently got a dog, so I'm always washing my hands. Starting off with this Essence Brow Gel. Well, it's actually a brow mascara, and I love this product for myself and for my clients. So you're gonna start by applying this the same way that you would mascara. You wanna constantly turn the brush. As you can see, I'm starting from the front and I'm going in from the front to the middle to the back. I'm going back and forth and I'm turning the spoolie back and forth just to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. Super easy and simple. Next, I'm going in with a clean spoolie and I'm gonna dip this in this E.L.F. brow lift. It's just a regular brow gel, but it's like one of the only ones that works for me. So you're gonna dip into your pot and then you're gonna evenly distribute it the same way you did the mascara. Think of this as doing this the same way as you do your edges. So you're just smoothing it through and you're just making sure that everything is evenly distributed. So that step that you just saw me do using, Slade. What you really wanna make sure you do after using this product is you wanna smooth down your brows after, just to make sure that they're slicked down. Now onto concealer. You're gonna take your flat concealer brush. For my brows, I prefer a large brush, and you're gonna take a lighter shade, which is the shade you use for your under eyes, and you're gonna use that to conceal or carve out the bottom of your brows. Now, I know brows can be super difficult for some people, so the key to this is really making sure that you only use the tip of your brush. Once you carve out and you get the hang of it, you're gonna start to drag your concealer down towards your eyelid. It's gonna serve as the base for your eyeshadow, or in this case, your powder foundation. So I'm repeating the same process on my other brow. And as you can just see, this is sped up, but I'm just really diffusing that concealer. This step right here is super important that a lot of people don't pay attention to. This is how I get the front of my brows even. You just want to connect them and then just blend everything out. Now we're taking our skin tone shade, and I wanted to make sure that I slowed this part down because this is not a 1-2 process. So I'm taking maybe about 5 or 6 different strokes and I'm gradually progressing to the back of my brow, and then I'm angling it down so that way I give myself an arch. So I have super straight brows. I'm not sure if you do, but here's how I carve out my brows to give myself an arch. So once you have all of your concealer placed, you're going to use a dense buffing brush like this one. And in the next step, I'm taking a triangle powder puff. I had to say that slow. But I got these from Amazon, and you're just going to use this to pretty much blend your concealer and really set it into place. I love using these puffs because they really remove any excess product, and you can use a slight swiping motion. Be careful not to take any product off of your brows and just blend around it. See how that looks? Clean, easy, simple. Now we're gonna get into the real tea. So you're gonna take your powder foundation. Now this can be your bronzer, any pressed powder, and you're going to press that into the crease of your eyes. I love using a larger brush for this because it really blows it out and gives you that effortless look, just like if it was your skin. The trick to making this look really effortless and natural is blending it alongside your nose and up into your brow. This blush, period, okay? This is what it looks like. It's from LA Colors. I got it from Dollar Tree, but I love it. And this is the key to brightening back up your eyes. So you're gonna take a dense eyeshadow brush like this one, and you're going to pack that product onto your brush and just sweep it all over your eyelids. Don't worry about it if it gets messy. Make sure that you pack this into your inner corner because this is really going to brighten up your eyes and give you that effortless, flawless glow. You can already see that flesh tone pink. And as I said, no worries if you mess up. You can always go back in, not adding any more products, but you want to go in and just clean it up with that same foundation brush. And here's the finished look, just like that. Simple, really gorgeous, glowy summer eye. And this eye can be used for literally any occasion. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure that you subscribe before you go and click that post notification bell so you don't miss a tutorial or try on haul from me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Porcelain Zen so that way we can connect and let's stay friends. I'll see you guys in my next upload.